Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Hula app, which is an AI video generator that lets you turn your text into the short videos in a minute. For that, first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Here in the search bar, you need to search for Hula AI video generator. Once you are able to find this app, simply tap on the install button and install it in your device. Once it is installed successfully, simply tap on the open button in order to launch the app and then select your gender first. After that, click on the dive in option, provide your email address here and create your short account. So first time users may get the free credits to try this tool. So once you have successfully logged in into your account, your interface will look something like this. Over here, in order to create your account, simply tap on the create your account option or the plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. So over here, you will have to basically enter the script or the idea. You can also choose from the variety of styles like educational, business, news and lifestyle. So you need to select the virtual presenter, language and the voice model, so the avatars are actually realistic and speak your script using AI voice generation. You can now adjust the background, the layout, the text position and the font. You can add subtitles or your own branding if needed. Once you are done with all these, simply tap on the generate video option and in a few minutes your AI video will be ready. You can download it and share on social media, or you can upload to YouTube and TikTok directly from here. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.